So then what happens at Keller Williams, once you pass your test, you have your license, now comes the real training on how to make money in real estate. So in our office, I said this on a earlier podcast, we have over 100 agents making $100,000 a year. We have probably first time in history, two agents over 2 million and possibly 6 over 1 million. We've never had that in history. Where can you go for free, right? For free, and get a license and then get trained to make that much
is
money.
free also.
Yeah.
So the mistake that most people make, say they're going to give me something for free so they can charge me later on for education. That's not the way we work.
Yeah.
And you look at the 100 people making over $100,000, the ones making over $1 million and $2 million, they work.
Oh yeah.
So my biggest advice to anybody wanting to get into real estate is buy a time clock on your cell phone or put it in your car, clock in, clock out. Make it a job, because if you don't think that people that are out here working are making the money, look around.
Yeah.
The ones that say, hey, I got a real estate license, everybody's going to let me sell their home. They've not sold anything yet.